Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. So if this is your first time to this channel, welcome. This channel is all about good quality items, whether they be bags, accessories, jewelry, household goods, anything that's of good quality. That's what we're all about on this channel. So if you're not yet part of the Mimet family, then I would encourage you to subscribe to this channel. It is free. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. I believe this is my first video of 2023. I do have a video what I got for Christmas part 2, which is meant to have gone up, but it hasn't gone up. I'm not sure whether I'm going to put that up, but this is my first video of 2023, and I thought I'll start with a bit of a bang. So you can already see it's a small leather good item. It's not a bag. But this video was not actually inspired by me. It was inspired by Minx All. If you don't know her channel, she's an OG YouTuber. Please go to her channel. She does really good videos, reviews on bags, unboxings, and she tells it as it is. That's why I believe she's called Minx. That's my theory anyway. So she's the one that inspired me to do this video, mainly because I do have this particular item in a different brand, but I find that I'm always carrying this item and an additional item to carry the things that I need to take with me. So I wanted something that was big enough to fit into small bags so I don't have to carry too many things. You'll see what I mean when I unbox this item. So I know all you want to do is see what's inside the bag. So I'm going to stop rambling and get on with the unboxing. So inside the bag, the item, and inside the bag also was the receipt. And we'll get onto the price in a minute. But let's just get on with this unboxing. So let's open that. So I haven't actually seen it since I bought it. And by the way, I bought it today. And please excuse my skanky fingers and hands. I have been ill. I was in hospital, so I haven't had time to do any, what's the word, manicures. I've literally come from the hospital today for a checkup, so excuse my fingers. So that's the item. It's upside down. All right, so let's get straight into the item. Let's see what they have. I've got all these numerous cards. Yeah, every single person that seems to have bought this item seems to have got about 3 of these, and I'm not sure why. But anyway, put that aside. So let's unbox it. Da, 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 da. Here we go, and this is the item in question. So I've had a very close look at it. Looked at the double G, to make sure that it's not scratched. Anything it isn't. The stitching is impeccable. Looked at it all over. I'm so happy I bought this item. So that's it from the front, the top, the side. Still got that tag there, so it hasn't been taken off, and that's behind the bottom and at the top again. So you must be wondering, what is this? Is it a wallet? Is it a card holder? I'm going to reveal what exactly it is. So let's open it. What is that, you might be saying? It is a pack of cards. So this is actually a plain cards holder, believe it or not. So I'm just going to show you inside. It's got this beautiful design inside. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and it's got the Gucci made in Italy. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Gucci made in Italy there. That's leather, and this is some kind of, I don't know whether it's fabric or exactly what it is. Yeah, so that's exactly what it is. And I'll just show you the actual zip, what it has on it. So I'm just going to show you quickly. It says Gucci there. And I tell you, this piece is immaculate. So it's a plain cards holder. However, they have something similar, which is a bit more expensive, which is a wallet. It has a space in between. It is leather inside, and it's got like 2 or 3 card slots on each side. That's what she showed me first of all, that she thought I wanted. It's more expensive. I'm going to use this to put my cards in it. So this is what I use already. It's my Chanel Caviar in black, gold hardware, and it has loads of cards in it. However, I also use my Cartier Python and leather card holder. So this is what I have for all my main cards, and these are like for my extra cards. However, I realized that I'll be able to put all my cards inside. So every single card that's in these card holders will be able to go in this. So anytime I have a small bag, I don't have to carry 2 card holders. So let's test that theory. So all the cards in my Chanel card holder are in here. So I'm just going to add these ones and see what happens. So every single card that I own is in here, and let's zip it up to see whether it will zip up. So let's zip it up. And it zips all the way up with no problem. It's a bit, okay, so I've adjusted it and that's it. Every single card I own is in this card holder. However, I just realized that I will use it when I have a small bag. I might not take every single card in it because it will prove difficult to look for my cards. So this is what I'm talking about. I mean, it's going to prove difficult to see what exactly I have. But for something that will hold all my cards, you can't go wrong. So just so that you know, I counted every single card that I had, and this held 24 cards. So I wouldn't advise you to put that many in it, because let's be honest, not every single card that you hold is a card that you're going to use. But to show you that you can put cards, you can probably put money. So for example, if I wanted to go and I didn't want to carry a bag, I can put cards, I can put money in it. If I have a pocket, I'll just put my keys in my pocket and just take this by itself with some cash. You can even fit cash inside it to show you how versatile this item is. So what am I going to do with these cards? I have no idea, but they are playing cards that you can actually play with. So price. So this and the cards is £235. So this is the item I was originally shown. Just try and so you can see it. So that's the item was originally shown, and I'll show you what it looks like. So that's it there. It's called the Ophelia GG card case wallet, and this is £365. Granted, it has a space in between and it's got 2 card slots on either side, and that's it from behind, and that's it in the front, on the side, and that's basically what it looks like. This was what, 100 and let's say 130, it's 130, it's £130 cheaper than this item. So it all depends on what you want. If you want this particular item, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, obviously this one that I bought is for playing cards. the angle. So the item I bought is for playing cards. So you're getting the price of the case and the card, £235. You can say that, you know, two for the price of one. I don't know. It depends on what you want out of an item. It's just that this is a different way of using this item. This is something that Minx or, mentioned. And I've actually seen some other YouTubers also buy it for the same reason. Anyway, guys, this video is getting too long for what it is. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments box down below. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, please excuse my skanky nails. I have been ill and I had an appointment today at the hospital. And yeah, I haven't been well basically. So that's the reason why, you're seeing me the way I am at the moment. It's not a normal way of presenting myself. But yeah, put your comments. Tell me what you think about this item. And also, I bought this in United Kingdom. I know they sell it in the States. At the moment in the United Kingdom, you can only get it in, according to the website, it said you can only get it in the branch on New Bond Street and the branch on Sloane Square. So you could get it online. It's no longer online. If you want to search for this, it's called the, let me see what it's called. Hold on. See what it's called again. So if you want to find it, if you're in the States, I don't know whether they still have it on the website. It's under Decor and Lifestyle. As you can see, it's no longer. Let's see if I can find the actual page. Hold on a second. And then you have to look for leisure pieces. As you can see, as I mentioned, it's no longer on the website. They have the double one, which is a bit more expensive. I think it's about £410 if it's something that you're interested in. So you could probably use it as a clutch if you wanted to. But that's just, that's just ways of using it. And I'll tell you the actual name of it. So it's called Card Set with Double GG. That's what it's called, and that's it. You probably can't see that written there because of the yeah, there we are. Card Set with Double GG. And it's, as you can see, it's £235. It says it's in stock, and as I said, at the moment it's only in stock on the New Bond Street branch of Gucci and on the Sloane Square branch. Enough rambling for one item. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye for now.